Imagine a customer paid for prepaid meter and they went ahead and installed fake prepaid meter for him. Read the guy's comment. He said, I bought a prepaid meter through the light up committee in my estate. After we moved to Band A, when the free unit that came with the meter finished, I went to IBEDC to buy electricity tokens. To my surprise, IBEDC told me that the meter had not been configured and referred me for configuration. Unfortunately, when they checked their system, the meter number could not be found. After pressuring the seller, I was told that the meter would be replaced, but it has been more than 3 months and I have not received any replacement. What should I do? You see the mistake that some of you are making. After the blunder, you are now asking, what should I do? You should have asked the question at the point of purchasing the meter. Should I go ahead and purchase it? How do I purchase the meter? How do I acquire a meter? Now no problem. We are where we are today. So the first issue here is that you are not supposed to buy meter from individuals. The only licensed people, the only recognized authority that issue out meter is a disco. In your own case, IBEDC is your own disco. They are the only set of body authorized to issue out meter. So if you want to pay, once you pay to them, then they collect your meter and they carry a meter, register it, fully register it, open an account for you, then link the meter to the account so that henceforth you cannot be making payment yourself. So now, after the whole thing, they will now call their installer that they should come to your house and install meter for you. They will now come to your house and install the meter. So once they install the meter, they will now do the final configuration, including tamper activation. Do the final configuration right in your house. But in your own case now, your disco IBEDC is not even aware that you are using meter, because your details, the meter details, is not on their database. It's not on their database. So that is where we are faulting you. Alright, in this whole process, I can identify 4 problems. And number 1 of them is the fact that the meter was not properly allocated to you. Something is fishing in this whole arrangement. Something is fishing. The set of people that brought the meter to you, they are aware. They are aware, 100% aware. But it is only you that is in darkness of this situation. Then number 2, the meter has never been configured. The meter has never been configured. Then number 3, that I also underline, the meter was supplied to you through unauthorized vendor. Like I said, it's only disco IBEDC that is licensed to give you to issue you meter, not third party. Any other third party that is not working with IBEDC that you see in your house, go and find out. They are registered installer under IBEDC. Look at this, I'm not sure this what do you call itself, estate lighting committee. I'm not even sure if they are registered installer. They are not registered installer. I'm most sincere with you. They are not registered installer under IBEDC. I check on them online. I can't even find. They are not even online. They are not online. Then the 4th one, the meter details has never been installed on the utility system. The meter details, utility system cannot even recognize your meter as we speak. So for the fact that the estate lighting committee agreed to come back and replace it is an indication, strong indication, that they are aware, 100% aware of the whole situation. They are aware that the meter is, there's more to that meter. They are aware of the meter situation, the meter status. Now you mentioned 3 months. How have you been using power for the past 3 months? It's a lot of problems, a lot of issues, a lot of stress on you and your family. Now back to your question, what should I do? My brother, I will advise you sincerely, at this junction, you need to gather your evidence. that you really purchased the meter from someone. So gather your evidence, that is the receipt, the evidence of payment, whom you purchase the meter from, the meter number, the meter pictures. Gather information, gather document around the meter. So that document you have will show you, it's an indication that the meter has source. Submit a formal complaint. That's step 2. Submit a formal complaint. So now you are going to write IBEDC. Either they are the one that sold meter to you or not. You are going to write IBEDC. So you are going to write the people that sold the meter to you, estate, what do you call it, estate lighting committee. You are going to write them as well. Now you are giving them 2 suggestions. Number 1 suggestion is for them to come and replace your meter for you as soon as possible. Then number 2, if they can't come and replace your meter, then they should refund you. Then once you make this, continue to do follow-up with IBEDC. To be specific, do follow-up with IBEDC. Remember, we need to be sincere with ourselves. It was a estate lighting committee that received money from you, based on what you said, or maybe I'm wrong. So it is estate committee that received money from you, not IBEDC. But now pretend as if you are not aware that, so you believe that all meters, all prepaid meters come from IBEDC. So pretend as if you are not aware. So write to them that they should refund you. So they will be, I trust them, IBEDC will do justice to it. They do attend to customer very well. So they're going to investigate the matter and they're going to resolve the matter. But don't forget, do follow up, bomber to bomber follow up with IBEDC. They're the only set of people that can help you. Even your so-called lighting committee, what do you call it, light up committee, estate light up committee, if they should come back with another meter tomorrow, don't trust it. So you need to involve the IBEDC. Like I said, they are the one authorized to issue meter. They are the one that can configure meter for you. They are the one that can maintain and manage your prepaid meter for you, not lighting as your lighting estate committee, or what do you call them. So after you have done this, that is step 2, you have already written to them. I believe they will answer. But if they now decided not to answer you, they ignore you, my brother, then you have to escalate the matter. And how do you escalate the matter? So it is my duty to give you, to guide you. That's why I want to mention this. So you have to escalate the matter by writing NEC. You write them, submit your complaint, all the documents of the meter, details about, and the letter you send to Odo, copy everything, submit to NEC. I tell you, the matter will be resolved and you are going to have your prepaid meter. So a lot of people are having prepaid meter issues around Nigeria. My brother, if you have experienced this kind of situation, drop your comment at the comment section. And if your situation a bit different from this subject, also drop your comment at the comment section. With the situation of the country today, we don't supposed to be having prepaid meter problem at all. Supposed to just be in our houses and been enjoying the electricity. So like my videos, subscribe to my YouTube channel, share the video if you have not done so. When you subscribe to my YouTube channel, there's no doubt you will be among the first to get my next video. I have a lot of videos on my playlist. Also check it out. Thank you very much for your time. Don't fall victim. Don't fall victim.